so stunning. Yeah, keep it flat so then everyone can see it before I put in the lamp. Somehow my lamp is so dark today though. Let me clear this one. Thank you, Mirandi. And then we're gonna do a chromes on that one. And I am gonna using a newest one. You will seeing it coming. And let's do this one because you're asking for this one. This one I'll finish. Every time is different look of the jade. So it really depends on there you go. I know, I love this, Vicky. So on this one, I am gonna using a no wipe top coat. I just polish this. Somehow my live video is just really dark.
No, it's just because that's light right on your face.
Right here. See? Does that matter? Okay, good.
You're good.
Top coat, and this one wanna keep it for about 15 seconds. Oh my goodness, this looks so gorgeous. It looks so nice by itself though. I don't know if I want to do some chromes on it, but I will do it anyway. And this one want to do some crystal placement. I have the an idea for this crystal placements.
Just one at a time?
No, 15 seconds. I think it's good now. Just give it to me now. Let me test that. If you have a sponge, I think it's good too. I just want just a little bit, okay? I don't want too much because then it might be, because this one is so pigmented, this chrome is so stunning. And this will be available tonight for all of you who love this stunning chrome. It's the same with my nails though. Just I just use this little bit and let it fading look down. Do you want something else? Do you want some like crystal placement in here? I'm asking for all of you. For all of you who are watching it. This is now for you. I wouldn't do it without if it's for you. Yeah. This is on my nails. Yeah, you will be in Orlando. You should able to get that too, Miss Debbie. You're gonna be in Orlando? That'd be awesome. Great. So you want me to do something on this one? Or just plain it by itself? This chrome's number 127. I think it will be available tonight. That's what I have it on my 2 weeks. And it's still there. So cool. Yes, crystal? Okay. Let's do some crystal on all of them. Let's do crystal on all of them. Oh, this one, I really like it too. Let's do that. love to bling things out. Let's do crystal on this one. I need the condensed glue gels. Thank you. Condensed glue gels. If you are having a hard time to keep your crystal stay on one place, you should check this guys out. This been really really nice to me. We're talking about should we keep this on a 3D flowers? You want to see 3D flowers on this one? We can do 3D on this one. We can do 3D on that one. Save that one. Let's do some flowers on this. Condensed glue gels. Blend.